This is Rex, a shepherd mix dog, known by its heartwarming story. Because, in the year 2015, Rex was adopted by the Ed Jernon from the animal shelter of Whittier, California. One day while playing, Rex found a tiny hummingbird, lying like a lifeless, on the ground, and Rex quickly nudged it, while the owner, Ed Jernon, noticed the bird was still alive. Seeing the poor conditions, they rescued the hummingbird, took her home, and later they named her Hummer. For feeding, they gave her sugar water and provide a safe environment till she was recovered. And when the day arrived, when she was fully recovered and able to fly back to her environment, she decided to live with Ed and Rick's house. After living 2 years in Ed and Rick's house, in the year 1963, Hummer moved out and hasn't been back till today.